I've often said we need a public service announcement about when to go to the emergency room because a lot of people were never really taught how to use it, and that's not their fault. Hi there. I'm Kisha Pickford, a nurse practitioner with over 25 years of experience in healthcare. And on this channel, I share real talk about healthcare and the lessons I've learned along the way. So let's talk about what the emergency room is really designed for. The emergency room is designed to evaluate urgent or potentially serious conditions, stabilize patients when something could be life-threatening, and make sure it's safe for you to either go home or receive a higher level of care. It's about identifying risk quickly. It's not always about having every answer right away. It's about making sure nothing dangerous is missed. So, what does that look like in real life? Well, generally, the emergency room is the right place for things like chest pain, difficulty breathing, severe or worsening pain, signs of stroke, serious injuries, and anything that feels sudden, severe, or unsafe. If something feels like it could be urgent or you're not sure if it can wait, it's okay to seek care. But not everything requires that level of care. There are situations that may be better handled in primary care, urgent care, or a scheduled visit. Things like mild symptoms that have been ongoing, medication refills, chronic conditions that need long-term management. And this isn't about dismissing concerns. It's about matching the right care to the right situation. And this is where a lot of confusion happens because the truth is a lot of people were never taught this. Access to care isn't always easy. Appointments aren't always available. So people go where they know they can be seen, and that's often the emergency room. And that's understandable. So what can help? Well, if you're unsure where to go, here are a few things to think about. Is this getting worse quickly? Does this feel urgent or unsafe? Can this wait for an appointment? And if you're ever unsure, it's always okay to seek care. It's better to be safe. And this is something I've learned over time. For me, it's always about making sure people are safe first and then helping guide them on what to do next. Because healthcare works best when people understand how to navigate it. So, what is the emergency room really for? Well, it's for urgent care. It's for safety. It's for those moments when something doesn't feel right and needs to be checked quickly. And understanding that can help you make better decisions about your health. Well, I don't know who will see this today or years from now, but this is my story and this is my perspective. I'm Kisha Pickford. Thank you for listening and thank you for being here. Bye.